Back at it again, Solid Rock family. You're now tuning into Solid Rock Entertainment. As I had said before in the previous video, I'm gonna play the Sizzla that is on this riddim. I know the score riddim, and it's actually just a, it was released on his 2006 album Waterhouse Redemtion, and as you know, Sizzla have two ants can't hold the amount of albums of Sizzla have, right? So the Monday release album like 3, 4, 5, 7 album in a 1 year. The Monday is a machine, right? But either way, yes, this tune is called Lately I've Been Thinking About You. But before we get into that, this week's vinyl that I'm presenting behind I is none other than the Gong himself, Bob Marley's Uprising. Bob Marley and the Wailers Uprising album with tunes as Coming In From the Cold, Redemption Song, Could You Be Loved, Zion Train. That's one of my favorite tracks off this album. And the history behind this album, I actually received this album for free. You see, one of back in the day where my father used to work, one of his co-workers was a DJ. And he realized that I was a big Bob Marley supporter, and he just said, you know what? He passed on 2 vinyls for me, the Kaya album and this one for free, So he used to DJ these in the nightclubs, So give thanks for this. It's a little gift, and this I think is a 1986 reprint of the album. So that's this week's vinyl. But anyway, back to the matter at hand. Sizzla. Lately I've Been Thinking, right? 2006, from the 2006 album on the Prince Jammy and Greensleeves label, 2006 release. Okay, so here we're gonna get into it. Lately I've been thinking about you. Lately.
Someone had told you, someplace, someday that you'll be mine. Now you might say to yourself, love is real, or it's not possible. Right now I'm feeling good about just love, because I'm loving you. You get my love for sure, and girl, we're still making love. You gave me love.
You know my vibes already. I have a big tune. Big tune. When Sizzla ready for beat and belt out for him, note them in, man. No ramp with Kalonji, no. Come in again, Kalonji. Here comes the tune. Lately I've Been Thinking.
Lady, I've been thinking about you lately. How far with me that first time? And what if someone had told you? Someone had told you, someplace, someday that you'll be mine. Now you might say to yourself, love is real, or it's not possible. Right now I'm feeling good about just love, because I'm loving you. You get my love for sure, and girl, we're still making love. You gave me love flourish and bloom. Oops, I beg you pardon for not reaching you soon. I'm a working man, I've got things to do, but I'll find the time to be with you. With open arms I'd reach out, serve me well, I've seen it now. Love is the only thing that grows, girl. You get my love for sure, and girl, we're still making love. You gave me your love so pure, and girl, we're still making love.
Yes. That was Kalonji on the I Know the Score rhythm. And you know that album Waterhouse Redemption, every track on there, you know, Sizzla is singing over on some old, from, you know, some classical jammies dancehall rhythm, from Slang Ting to I Know the Score and many others, you know what I mean? So it's just Sizzla just DJing on some classic King Jammies rhythms, and there's about 16 tracks, I believe. I have a copy of it myself. Been a while since I actually played the hard copy, but yes, it was that album that made me aware of this tune, and I just decided to share it and, you know, throw it in the mix, right? You know, so I think it's a good fix. So keep on tuning in, keep it locked to Solid Rock, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you to all the subscribers. And we're going to keep the ball rolling. Next up, we're going to do a Cocoa tune on the I Know the Score rhythm. Saying, alright, keep it locked to Solid Rock as we keep the ball rolling and preventing you from scrolling. Alright, cool.